Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will describe how to create pattern for leotard for rhythmic gymnastics from scratch based on your daughter's measurements. So I did a little sketch with all of the measurements so it is easier for me to go by, and also you have some visual. I used just simple printing papers. I taped them together in order to create the pattern, since I'm gonna design it myself as well, so that's why I need a blank canvas. So first we're going to create a point for our shoulders. We do see that the width of the shoulders is 29 centimeters. I'm gonna split that in half, which I will get 14.5 centimeters, and I'm gonna make up my first point. From that, I will create a shoulder. So I do see that the width of the shoulder for my daughter is 8 centimeters. That's what I'm gonna measure, 8 centimeters. And in order for me to create an angle, I am going to go down 2 centimeters. You can go up to 3 centimeters to create a perfect fit. So angle at 2 centimeters, and you will connect those points. So we have 8 centimeters. Next, we are going to create a neck area for both front and back. For the back, we go down 2 centimeters, and for the front, we go down 5 centimeters. You can adjust those cutouts later as you wish and based on your daughter's fitting. Don't worry about those. Just create so that you have just some basic in place, and then we can do modifications. And I do have a video for you to share if you wish to have we call it a choreographic cutout. So stay tuned. It's easy with those cutouts to get in for your daughter by herself. Now we're gonna create a length of the whole leotard. So the circumference of whole body, you see the biggest vertical round shape is 119 centimeters. In order for for your daughter or for anyone to fit into the leotard, we have to subtract 4 centimeters to make sure that the fit is perfect, because we use all way stretchable fabric. So that's what we're gonna do. The formula is 119 minus 4 centimeters, and in this case we're gonna divide it by 2 because we have 2 parts, front and back. So I got 57 centimeters. Next we're gonna create an under or in between feet underwear part. I don't know how to say that, but it is about 2 to 3 centimeters wide. Now we are gonna create a top part for our leotard. So the length of the back is 29 centimeters. I'm going to deduct 1 centimeter for perfect fit, and I'm measuring 28 centimeters. I'm gonna just make a horizontal line, and I'm gonna create my waist area. So we do see that circumference is 60 centimeters. We're gonna do the same thing, minus 4 centimeters, and divide by 4 since we have a quarter. So here we are. Now we are gonna go to the bust area, chest area. Same thing, 69 centimeters minus 4 centimeters and divide by 4. And we're gonna create that point. Once we created it, we're gonna connect those two, and then create 2 points to create our side part of the leotard. We're gonna go up 17 centimeters because our measurement says 18 centimeters, and remember we subtract 1 centimeters for perfect fit. All right, now let's create cutouts for our sleeves. This is a sleeveless leotard. I never made a leotard with sleeves. My daughter hates it, and so do I. So this will be a sleeveless basic leotard. So in this case, we are not in the area that of the sleeves. We do not deduct anything. It is gonna have a perfect fit regardless. So what we're gonna do, just divide that by 2. So 23 divide by 2, and then 29 divide by 2. So we have 11.5 centimeters, and then we do have the back, which is 29, 14.5 centimeters. I had to think here twice. Okay. So once you have those points, just connect the cutouts for sleeves, round them up very nicely to make sure it is visually and aesthetically beautiful. And by connecting those, you have a back detail, and then we're gonna go to the front detail. I did make the shoulder a little slimmer just because that's how I like it for my daughter. And I will show you the final leotard later on. You feel free to modify as you wish. So you see we have a top detail ready. Now we're gonna create an underwear part. So we're gonna go about half in between the bottom measurement and the waist. And we are going to measure 69 divided by 4 and minus 4. 69 minus 4 divided by 4. And then we're gonna go up 14 centimeters to create the side hip part. And now we're gonna create a cutout for our underwear. So we do see that the width of the front is 10 centimeters, and then it's 18 centimeters for the back. Here, same thing, we do not we just divide those by 2. We do not deduct anything. So we're gonna do 10 divided by 2 is 5 centimeters for the front, and then 9 centimeters for the back. And then we're just going to connect. So here you wanna go as parallel as possible to the waist when you start creating the cutout, and then try to slant it down to connect the bottom of the detail. And same thing you're gonna create with the back. You're gonna just actually with the back part, you do want to go up in the on the bottom about like 2 to 3 centimeters, and then that way it is not wrinkly in between the leg area, because it doesn't look aesthetically nice. Actually, this is my third leotard making. Happy leotard making. It did save me so much money by doing this, and it just gives me a pure pleasure. Yeah, so here we are. In order for us to create 2 separate details, I do have an insert of another prepared paper, and that's how I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna cut it out together. So I'm gonna insert one piece of paper into another one, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut those out together, and that way I will create back detail and the front detail. Thanks for watching.